Sanibonani guys, welcome back to another update on the Fidelis Muyema fraud case. The state has accused a former KPMG bursary officer Fidelis of using his ex-girlfriends to launder money. These ex-girlfriends have since turned themselves as state witnesses. Fidelis Muyema and his co-accused have applied for bail in the 16.5 million KPMG bursary fund fraud case. They were, however, granted 50,000 rand bail each on Friday. And it is said that they were granted the bail on the basis that they did not pose a danger to the state witnesses. According to the Sunday World, it is said that what Fidelis would do with his ex-girlfriends is that he would make them start companies, open accounts, and divert money into those accounts. These girlfriends have made police statements against Muyema and are now state witnesses. But my question is, when they were in a relationship with Muyema, were they really did they really not know anything about these funds? Because if your boyfriend opened up a company underneath your name and was just transferring funds, how was he benefiting from it? Because it is alleged that how Fidelis would launder this money is that he'd open up several accounts, transfer this money into those accounts, and in turn, he'd ask these people to send back the money into his account. So all these girls that dated him, where were they thinking the money was coming from? And I just think maybe it's a case of because they know that their names, their accounts might be implicated and might come out because investigations are being done. It was the safest thing to come out and turn themselves into state witnesses. Look, I'm not judging them. If I was in their shoes, I probably would have done the same thing. So it has been revealed again by the Sunday World article that Fidelis Muyema is facing 431 cases of fraud, theft, and money laundering amounting to that 16.5 million. And the state does, however, say that it is willing to provide the witnesses protection for the ex-girlfriends, but so far none of the ex-girlfriends have come forward to basically state that their safety might be of a concern. But should the case be, they are willing to provide the witnesses with protection. Fidelis Muyema did have a baby mama with the famous influencer Uste Bengu, who boasted about the expensive gifts she received from Muyema, the luxurious car that he bought her, the outings that they did, and etc. And some people are actually saying that this girl, shot herself in the foot because, the receipts are there. She posted about stuff that kind of give an indication that she was aware of Fidelis Muyema being implicated in such things, or that she'd actually be a willing participant in such a case. I'm curious to find out how things are going to turn out with her, but if it were up to me and I was T, I would turn into a state witness as well. Maybe that option is not available for her, but Muyema, even if should it get to that, Fidelis Muyema shouldn't even take offense because, that's his baby mama. And I think their aim at this point should be at least to keep one parent out of jail. I will be updating on the story as it progresses. It does look like it's something that is gaining public attention. So we will see how the investigation goes. Please do make sure that you like this video before Pumagiona. Subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you on the next one.